Good morning, Nick Rathjen here from FBM, giving you an update on this morning's announcement of our expanded footprint and gold prospectivity at our Burbanks East project. Burbanks East sits on the Coolgardie Belt and well positioned in a highly prospective area for gold in close proximity to both operating mines and also large resources within a 5-kilometre radius. The Burbanks East project is largely underexplored, but as we're currently going through the historical data, we expect to have better understanding of its prospectivity and its potential. The Burbanks East project is at an application stage, so as we move to get it granted, we're also undertaking geophysical and geochemical work to continue to advance our knowledge of the mineralisation at the project. It also builds on our strategic footprint on the Coolgardie Belt, which we've been continuously adding to, and more recently with the acquisition of the Miriam project. Miriam also was largely underexplored for over 20 years, but having gone through the historical data, there were a number of standout intercepts and key targets where they're not just discoveries, but now it's really about expanding this gold potential and expanding these targets. But some key callouts were at the Forest target, 12 metres at 2 grams and also 10 metres at 2.5 grams from 30 metres of surface, highlighting that their targets definitely need follow-up drilling, and importantly that a lot of the drilling and exploration has been done in the top 60 metres from surface. So not only an opportunity in the upcoming drill program in July to test the extension in both directions of Forest and potentially some of these other targets, but also to test the upside and opportunity at depth as well. So planned announcements for the upcoming quarter are really around soil sampling and geophysical work at Burbanks East, and importantly going through the historical data. And at Miriam, now that we've got the historical data, we're very clear about the prospectivity and the opportunity there that we're excited for. It's going through and undertaking the geophysical work. We're just finished and we'll be announcing during the month of June the results from the soil sampling program as well, which is really refining and potentially hoping to find some additional targets there. But at Miriam, we've got our hands full with quite a number of targets, already have drilling work on them, and something that we're very keen to follow up in July as well. So please stay focused, follow the story as we go, and as we build our footprint here and really build out what is coming together is not only a large land package, but importantly, a very prospective one for gold. And also, more importantly, to come back to it, is that we also have the balance sheet strength to not only undertake the exploration of these projects, but also to look at additional assets for acquisition. So stay tuned, look forward to giving shareholders update as we go.